Good morning, guys. Welcome to another episode of Doing Something with Me. Okay, I know you are in a week of exams and you are maybe a little stressed and everything. So don't worry, we are playing. You don't have to work, you don't have to write anything or to send anything to me. You just have to play. We are playing together, okay? So the name of this video is Guess the Animal. So let me share my screen with you. And that's it. So it works like this. I, I will be clicking on the boxes that will appear on the screen. And you have to try to guess what are the animals that appear there, okay? Get it? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Thank you very much. Let's get started. So, what do you think this animal is? If I remove this one, what do you think? What animal do you think it is? Ready? What animal? No, it's not a lion. It's green. What is it? What animals do you think or do you know are green? Ta-da! Is it a turtle? Is it a crocodile? Is it an angry teacher? Yes, it is. It is an angry teacher. Oh no, it's just a. What's the name of this? Crocodile. Very good. Let's see the next one. Are you ready? We already had a crocodile, so I'm not helping you. Are you ready? One, two. What do you think it is? I don't know. It looks like a balloon. What is it? It looks like bubble gum. What do you think it is? Let's see. Oh my God! What's the name of this? What is it? It looks like me when I go to the swimming pool. It's a hippo. Okay, let's go to the next one. Ready? One, two, three. Gosh. What do you think it is? Look, it has some hair here. It's gray color. I don't know. What do you think it is? Oh my God, we can see a leg. I think I know what it is. Do you know what it is? It has a trunk. It's pretty easy. It has big ears. What is it? Come on, say it. And it has a bird. Yes, what it is? Oh, it was an elephant. Very good, guys. Well done. Okay, ready? Chun 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 chun. Let's see what it is. Is that my sister? Oh my God, is that my sister again? What do you think it is? It's green. It has like marks, stripes, or something. I think it's like an alien. An alien? Do you think it's an alien? What? Oh my God! Are snakes, and they just got married. Oh, that's lovely. So it's Mr. Snake and Mrs. Snake. Let's continue. Let's see the next one. One, two, three. Pink fuchsia. What is it? Green. What is this? What do you think it is, guys? I don't know what it is. Fuchsia and green. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, it's a parrot. Oh, very good. Did you know what it was? I didn't. I got confused. Oh, it's a bird. Very good. Okay, let's see. Did you do it? Could you guess it? Let's see if you can guess the next one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's an alien. Look, it has eyes and the head and the mouth. It's like this. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. Do you know what it is? Say it. Say it. What is it? What is it? What is it? Two aliens. Yes, two aliens. Oh no. It's a very good. It's a butterfly. So let's see one more, and we are done for the day. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I think it is a Pokemon. Pokemon don't live there. Pokemon animals, they just don't live in the jungle. I don't get it. Do you know it's like a star or it's like a ball? Pokemon? Yes, it's one of those. I'm pretty sure it is one of. Oh my God, what is it? So weird. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. Do you know what it is? Say it, say it, say it. 1, 2, 3. Is that? It's a chubby spider. It's a fat spider, actually. Okay, the last one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah, I cheated. It's a sun. Wow. I know what it is. I know what it is. I just saw this here, something. These sausages. So maybe it's person. Oh no, it's not. It's a frog. Okay. Very good, guys. Guys, that was the end of our game. I hope you have guessed all of the animals and you have enjoyed our little time together. I really wish you the best during the exams. Okay, so send you huggies, guys. I love you. Bye.